also we have the consultants portal, right? The consultants portal can be accessed through this is the consultants portal, right? Now, consultants portal is where registered consultants will come and get onboarded, and then they can now serve their taxpayers from this secure platform. So to register as a consultant, you must first be registered on Rev360 as a taxpayer because we'll be using your tax ID from beginning to end. So of course, your tax ID must already be registered on Rev360 first. So once you have that sorted, you can come to the consultants portal and then click create new account. Then you have the option to either register as an individual practice or a corporate practice. So if you click any of them, it takes you here where you enter your tax ID. So I'll input the tax ID now, 2520579. All right, so once you do that, same concept, it sends an OTP to verify your ownership of that account. So you just give a couple of seconds. Let me check here. Okay, so we have the OTP now. I'll input the OTP 407165. Right, so it brings you here where you now complete your registration as a consultant. So you input the RC, you input an address, and then you go to the next step. Your email and your phone number are already captured from your registration with Rev360. Then you input your license number, your years in practice, what professional body you are a registered member of, then your membership number. All this will be reviewed and validated during the approval process. And if they are not valid details, your registration will not be approved. So here you input partners information. So if you have partners in this consultancy, you can input their own membership numbers here, right? And then phone number, you can also input their years in practice here, and then what professional body they're a member of, and then you say next. So if you want to add multiple partners, you can do that by clicking the add another partner button here. Then you go next. Here is where you're required to upload your documents for your consultancy. Okay, so you'll upload your documents in PDF. Let me quickly get some sample documents. So you upload a document here for your CAC, upload another PDF here for your professional license certificate. You upload another one here for your tax clearance certificate, and then you upload your professional body membership certificate. I'm just using sample documents. I'm sure you use the original documents when you're doing this. You upload a valid ID, your international passport, driver's license, NIN, and the likes. And then you upload a passport photograph. And after you've uploaded all those details, you'd complete your registration. So your registration is complete now, but it's going to undergo an approval process to review all the documents that you've submitted. Once all of that checks out, then you'll be able to log in as a consultant. Okay. So I'll just log in now as an existing consultant so that we can see what the consultant portal looks like. So once logged in as a consultant, this is what you would see. Um, Now, the idea is you're supposed to, any taxpayer that wants to you as as their consultant, you would have to share your tax ID with them. So once you share your tax ID with them and um, they get you added as their tax consultant, you receive a notification here. Oh, sorry, I just signed out. Hmm. You receive a notification here that you can accept, and then you begin to represent the tax consultant, the taxpayer. So from here, you'll be able to see all your clients, your active clients, the ones that have not accepted the ones that you are still pending. That is, they've attempted to engage you, but you've not yet responded to their request. You can see a list of all your clients here, and then you can, so once you want to file for them or anything and you come here and log in, you'll see their dashboard, you'll see their records here, and you can log into the taxpayer, you can access the taxpayer self-service portal from here, from your dashboard here, once they've accepted you and engaged you as their consultant. So that will be all for now. Now, all of these portals are going to be available on Go Live. So once we go live, you can begin to register as consultants and then begin to offer services to your taxpayers. Thank you very much.